G'day critters of YouTube and welcome back. Tonight we're installing some bits, but first of all we've got a little something. Picked it up today so that doing these little filmy doodads would be a bit easier. So that is going to go bottom on my forehead so I can give you the real POV. Righto, here we go. Just done a few test runs with the headband, trying to get everything sorted out. I'll show you a little video I took of that. The shit I do for these videos, so the shit I'm planning on doing for these videos. I get my little microphone so I can be like, hello there. Anyway, let's see how this goes. We've got some stuff. Bits have arrived. I'm very excited for bits. What I'm really excited, let's get rid of some rubbish first. What I'm really excited about is this, the screen. I'm looking forward to having that little bit of extra wind protection. That screen's good, it's just not quite good enough. So we'll put that in there. Let's get this ripped open and we'll get into installing it. Give that a little zootsy dootsy. Pretty well packed actually. Good work AliExpress. So all this stuff has come from AliExpress. I spent $500 when I bought the bike off AliExpress. And I bought a heap of shit. Well, it's not shit, but you know, lots of stuff. I bought stuff. Ooh, that's loud. Hopefully it's tinted. I ordered a tinted one. I figured with the black, the tint will look absolutely fantastic. Oh dear. Maybe it's packed too well. Imagine leaving a review. Packed too well. Poor little Chinese fella that packed it would be devastated. Grab a finger fucker. Finger fuck out one end of it. Oh, not finger fuck it, but you know what I mean. Oh, look at that. What I'll do is I'll bang these in and we'll grab that one off and we'll do a little size comparison like this. Oh, daddy, that's going to be fantastic. So much wind protection. Righto. Let's, breathe. So one thing I'd really like, see how they've got silver hardware for the new one, black hardware from the old one. It'd be really sweet. Ooh. 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 Maybe we can get away with using that. Let's try, because I want to use the black hardware over silver hardware. The only downfall is I'm not going to be using the washers, because that's not going to leave enough space. I guess I could, they're a tapered washer though, they've got a chamfer on them. So it'd make it a bit hard to do go and get just black heads. Yeah, let's try these, we'll do two. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, well, I'll just go fuck myself. There we go. I don't know about, the rubbers are alright, they work good, but these, I think I want to go a black, I'll get a black washer and maybe a shaped head to go over it, something like this. But for the time being, we'll put these in here. Righto. Alright, got my new screen. Ooh, look at, ooh. It's from the headband. So we've got the new screen installed. I like it. Very nice. Picasso. So basically what that's going to do, the old screen when I was on the motorbike, you know, riding along, the wind was kind of just hitting me in the forehead, so kind of just catching the peak on my helmet here, and I was getting a little. So hopefully the taller screen over here, or mate, will give me a bit more protection from the wind when I'm riding, and that should also improve on my fatigue. You know, doing long rides, you don't really want to be getting fatigued, and that light's fucking bright on the camera. You don't want to be getting, you know, too fatigued. You know, there's plenty of other factors that are going to fatigue you out more than just the wind, so a bit of wind protection will be fantastic. Sick. Let's see what else we install. Alright, next thing we're going to install, we're going to do this mystery item. So in my last video I kind of stumbled over what this was. I was like leg, foot, arm. I made a bit of a butchery of it. So basically what it is it's a foot that's going to go on here, on the foot, on the kickstand. Let's see, oh, I need longer arms. It's going to go on the bottom of the kickstand, and that just enlarges the surface area of the foot on the kickstand. If I could take a shot every time I say foot or something, you'll be blind in no time. So we're going to install that next. It's going to be a bit interesting because I don't have a centre stand on the bike, and I don't have anyone here to hold it, so I don't have a handy dandy assistant. I think I'm going to lean it up against the workbench over here, and hopefully not drop it on the floor because we don't have any crash bars on it yet, but let's see how we go. Go. Righto. Bike's in place, as you would have seen from a little like time-lapsey doodad where I fast as fuck, boy. Gonna install that. I think we need the 4mm. Let's see. Yes sir, that is the go. This one should be nice and simple. Let's go. Doink. So that's gonna be simple. Now watch me completely fucking arse it up and just fucking not get it right. This is actually quite nice. This is a CNC plate with a little top foot for it. How hard can it be? Famous last words. Grab a Loctite. We'll put some of that on there too. Then we get to sit cross-legged on the floor. Oh, make some old man noises. Kind of ridgy-didge. Please ignore my toes. I know, 3 feet picks in this economy. It's insane. But a man's got to do what a man's got to do. So we're just going to strip this down real quick. The other thing I've also done recently is I removed the rubber pads off the foot pegs, because I went for a nice big dirt ride the other day. Did about 140 k's on the dirt. That was lovely. Wasn't anything, wasn't anything special, but it was still lovely. Let's give it that torque spec, shall we? Click, 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 click. Yep, torqued up. And this one, click. And this one. And click. We'll torque this one up. And click. I think this one might have slipped torque. Hang on, let's double check. Click. Perfect. Last one, just double check. Yeah, click. Fantastic. And just like that, we've now extended the foot on the leg of the kickstand. English. Fantastic. Righto, foot stands on. Big screen's on. Next thing I want to do is going to be these, which are the... Let me turn the camera around so I really like it. These are the tank pads. As I said in my introduction video for this bike, well, I've got this fucking camera to put on my head. I'm just holding it, trying to do this. Alright, let's have a look what we've got here. Put them to the side. We've got these tank pads. Now these are designed so that you grip better. Oh, it's already gripping. 3M. Look out. Okay. Now I have no fucking clue where any of this goes, so Bindi! Hi! How you doing? Hello. How are ya? Oh, good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Luckily there's no paint on there. Let's read this Chinglish again. Clean the surface, ensure that clean and tidy, tear packing bag, pick up inside wet wipes, go through the surface, wait a few seconds, cover and press the tape onto it. Okay, so we give it a wipe. Peel this. Oh no. Oh, that's going to be dandy doody. Then we line this up. Shit. Oh, I've been on that side. Go to this side. So I'm just going to dump it on there and see what happens. Oh, that's a lot of piss. Hang on. Fucking good enough. Bit shit down the bottom there. That's right. Hanging on for dear life, smashing down some fucking dirt road. I won't notice and I won't care. Right. Righto, so that's everything done for tonight. We've done the tool screen, still need to clean it, it's a bit grotty. did the foot extension on the kickstand, and we've done the tank grippers for the grippy balls. So we'll see how they go, I guess.